వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ తవ కథామృతం తప్త జీవనం. ఓం అజ్ఞానతిమిరాంధస్య జ్ఞానాంజనశలాకయా చక్షురున్మీలితం యేన తస్మై శ్రీగురవే నమః. జ్ఞాన అండ్ విజ్ఞాన, జ్ఞాన విజ్ఞాన తృప్తాత్మ కూటస్థో విజితేంద్రియం. ఎపిసోడ్ 9. ప్రాయేణ అల్పాయుష్య సభ్య కళావస్మిన్ యుగే జన మంద సుమందమతయో మందభాగ్య ఉపద్రుత. The sages of Naimisaranya, they are not criticizing, they are deeply feeling the completely perplexities or conditioned way of Kali Yuga life, and therefore out of compassion they are asking these questions. It is an example from scriptures of Karuna, from scriptures about Karuna, how the devotees show the compassion to others. In so many ways, scriptural examples, Narada Muni, one very example of how Narada Muni helps Daksha. After Narada Muni preaches to the Haryasvas and Bahulasvas, they are 11,000 sons of Daksha. Daksha feels extremely envy in heart. He is so furious. Narada Muni decided to go and see him. Why? He wants to get the fire out of Daksha's mouth, of his heart. He goes to see him. Then he split out all the fire in his heart. Then he is somewhat peaceful. It is an extreme example of compassion. The devotee sees the miserable condition of someone envious, takes a risk, a very great risk. He knows that what Daksha is going to do. Daksha called Narada the worst possible names. He said, "You are a very attached person. You don't know the principles of Dharma." He just speaks the exactly opposite to the Narada qualities. After speaking all those things, Daksha, because of darshan that Narada gave, he felt relieved, actually apologized. After making this horrible, this is the idea, that the devotees are very merciful. By compassion, they feel the sufferings of others. They feel the sufferings of others. Therefore, they want to assist the person to overcome the obstacles. They don't give universal solution. What? Chant Hare Krishna and be happy. That is true. There are certain things that are blocking the devotees from chanting Hare Krishna properly, and therefore devotees very compassionately try to find what is the blocking this person, why he is not able to chant Hare Krishna properly. Sometimes out of compassion, the devotee also speaks very strongly. Vidura spoke to Dhritarashtra like anything. After his whole pilgrimage tour and come back to Hastinapur just for to deliver this Dhritarashtra. He had not any other business. He knew that Krishna departed to his own abode. Pandavas were well situated. He did not come for any of these reasons. Only he came for to deliver Dhritarashtra. One has to be very broad-minded, Vadanya. means magnanimous, broad-minded, or large-hearted. Devotee is actually very compassionate. Otherwise, they start evaluations. Why we show compassion and so on. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called Mahavadanya. Devotee is similarly Vadanya. Mahaprabhu is not calling Mahavadanya about devotee. Only Lord Chaitanya is called Mahavadanya. Others are Vadanya. Mahaprabhu did not say Mahavadanya. This is his verses. Krupalu Akruddosa Satyasara Sama Nirdosa Vadanya Mrudu Sucha Kinchan Sarvokar Prasanta Krishna etc. Akamani Hastira Vijay Sadguna Mitabukka Pramata Manada Amanina Gambira Karuna Maitri Kavi Dakshaman. This is his verses, Chaitanya's verses. So he spoke these verses. We are not like Mahavadanya. Following Lord Chaitanya, we have to be very broad-minded to accommodate all sorts of people. And the real broad-mindedness is to know how to help a person with broad-minded. Everybody has general duties. Hearing, chanting, hearing Srimad Bhagavatam. All these things are general duties. On the other hand, there are specific duties are given to a person to uplift them. If specific engagements are not given, they won't be able to apply those properly. This is the Vadanya quality of a devotee. He is able to understand the nature of the different persons and engage them in such a way. It gives a platform to reach Krishna consciousness. Narada Muni, when he meets Dhruva Maharaj, Dhruva Maharaj flatly refuses Narada Muni. Narada Muni gave some Brahmanical instructions to Dhruva Maharaj. He said that this is too much for me. I can't follow this. I am a Kshatriya. My blood is Kshatriya. I want a kingdom greater than Brahma. In order to achieve that, I don't mind doing that by honest means. That I will not give up. Give me some instructions to achieve that. So Narada Muni would not struck up. He said, I am giving the instructions, you are not following them, so you can go. He found a way which is Dhruva Maharaj's heart. So Dhruva Maharaj has some sincerity. In order to achieve that goal by honest means, he did not want dishonestly. That sincerity Narada saw. And although he was in Krupana Buddhi situation, miserly, Narada Muni take the advantage of that sincerity and bring him to pure devotional service, pure devotional platform. So devotee is Mahavadanya, means he is so broad-minded that he is always thinking how to assist someone situate themselves in a platform for which is suitable for Krishna consciousness. So unless feels deep compassion and one is merciful, Vadanya quality cannot manifest. One can feel very merciful to really helps him to go to broad-minded. Duryodhana, he would not give pinprick of land to Yudhishthira Maharaj. Pinprick of land. Because he knew he was very broad-minded. So even that one prick of land, he will be able to utilize it perfectly because of his Vadanya quality. I stop here. I will continue in next episode. Srila Guru Maharaj ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Sri Sri Radha Gonji Bhagwan ki jai, Ananta Koti Vaishnava Vrinda ki jai, Nitai Gaur Premananda Hari Bol. हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे रामा 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 हरे हरे।